How to hide contact suggestion on Samsung when sharing photos. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to remove or hide those contact suggestions that appear when we share photos from the gallery on Samsung phones. So let's get started. First of all, open up the settings app on your Samsung phone and you can scroll down and tap on the option called advanced features and go ahead and open it up. Once we have tapped on advanced features, we can look out for one of the options. It depends upon the model. So you can either look out for the option called direct share, sharing suggestions, or go ahead and tap on contacts when sharing, or you look out for the quick share option. Or you can tap on show contacts when sharing content and tap on it. And you just need to toggle that option off or direct share. If we have that option available, we can just go and tap on it and we can turn off that option and go ahead and do so. And that will stop the contacts from appearing at the top when you share photos. If you still see suggestions, what we can do is we can look out for the Photos application and tap on the share button. Just go ahead and open it up and look out for the three dot in the top right. And look out for the option called share if available and go ahead and disable the suggested content from the section as well. And sometimes changes take effect after restarting your phone. You can hold the power button for that and tap on restart and restart it, or also clear out the recent applications. And that's it. That's how we can hide contact suggestions when sharing photos on Samsung devices. Disabling this also makes your screen share menu very cleaner and faster. So that's it everybody. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.